Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing forexfury.com. So as you can see, if you don't know what this is, it is basically a site that will help you grow your money. So for example, Forex, and basically it is just an exchange market. So as you can see, for 7 years you can gain, and they show you the graph, so they will help you with trading and a lot more. So if you're wondering if this is legit or not, we have it here on Trustpilot and see that they're rated 3.7 out of 5 stars, which is average, with 238 reviews. So let's head on over and see the reviews here. So this person said it was a terrible scam, Forex Fury returns, and basically share my experience on every forum I can find. Do not buy this product due to their poor attitude. Do not buy. So these people said that I'm not really happy with the set of files you guys created, blah blah blah. Keep up the good work. 5 stars, 5 stars, and there are a lot of 5 stars over here. And they also got a refund after removing. So this product is a bit of a hit or miss. So if you're planning using this product, I would advise you guys to do some more research or just using another one that's more trusted. And that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.